you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's bedroom makeover. I have been so excited about changing this room for so long, and I'm really glad that I get to share it with you in today's video. If you've been on my channel for a while, then you'll probably notice that the walls have already been painted white. They used to be magnolia, but I've wanted them to be white for so long, and because this is such a small room, I thought it would be a lot easier for Rob just to crack on with the painting without getting in the way with the camera all the time. We do get to do that loads in the next one, but for today's bedroom makeover, I'm going in, giving it a quick hoover and putting together all the new furniture that we got for this room. So we did pre-plan and order everything that we needed online, but unfortunately the cabinet that we picked up from B&M for the TV to go on just didn't look right. It was a lot smaller than we thought it was going to be, but of course we didn't get it out of the box and build it or anything until we started filming, and now with everything going on we can't just pop to the shop and get a different one. So for now we're just going to be keeping the black drawers until IKEA reopens and lockdown is lifted, but I really don't think it takes away from the room at all. So this is actually the first time I've ever built furniture or done any sort of DIY, and in this video is actually the first time I've ever used a drill, and I think it's going to be very obvious throughout this video that Rob has to tell me exactly step by step what to do, and I make many failures along the way because I'm just learning as I go. If you are new here on my channel and you have never seen my face before, my name's Amanda and I post cleaning content on this channel every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 o'clock, and I would absolutely love for you to join the family by clicking the subscribe button down below.
Eternity later.
Long ago you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free.
So I've been saying for quite a while now that the spare room slash beauty room slash office was going to be getting the makeover, and we actually completely changed our minds and did the bedroom instead. So I cleared it all out, gave it a good deep clean, ready for the makeover, and it's just not going to happen. We've decided to do the bedroom and the living room instead. I've really wanted a white bedroom for such a long time, so when that opportunity came, I definitely grabbed it with both hands. And the living room, it looks so much better in white, and I do want to focus more on the living room because that is where we spend the majority of our time. That is where everybody sees when we have people over. That's the room they see, so that is definitely the room that I want to keep as the main focus point. And like I said, I've wanted a white bedroom for such a long time, so the bedroom and the living room, everything else can just wait a little bit longer.
Did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away, 'cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. We can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. You wanna go.
So I'm pretty sure when you're putting slats on a bed, you start from the head of the bed and work your way down, but clearly we're not most people, because we were just backing ourselves into a corner and we didn't even realise that we were doing it until we were down to the final few, and we just looked at each other and realised what we did. But we managed to make it work. It was only the final one, so as soon as the mattress goes on, it pops it into place anyway. But yeah, for anybody that didn't know, always start at the head of the bed and work your way down so you're not backing yourself into a corner.
Rainbow, I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave.
Going for a Super King bed in such a small room was a bit of a gamble, but we're both completely in love with it. We definitely love our space, and being able to starfish is amazing. So if you can and if you have the room, I definitely recommend a Super King bed.
Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to.
If you'd like to follow me on more of a daily basis and get lots more home decor inspiration that isn't here on my YouTube channel, then do head over to my Instagram, because I post on there every day, and any new home updates will definitely be over on my Instagram, so I will leave the link in the description below. As you can see, that big telly on that small little white cabinet does look a little bit silly, so as soon as I've cleared up all the rubbish, we're going to be swapping them back, and no doubt there's going to be pictures of the cabinet on my Instagram, so do be sure to go and follow me over there if you're not already. But I'm just going to clean up the rubbish. Now the bed has been built and made, we're going to head downstairs and build the two side cabinets.
Why you let me go? Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to
I've been trying to think of other DIY projects and just little ornaments and home decor bits that I can make with stuff that I already have around the house. So if you have any small DIY little projects or arts and crafts and stuff that you like to do, please do let me know in the comments down below, because I am trying to decorate using stuff that I already have, as we can't just pop to the shop and buy a load of decorations. I would love to try and make my own.
Sunny day in late July and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up.
If you're enjoying today's DIY bedroom makeover, please do leave this video a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I would love to have you here. But leaving the thumbs up just lets me know that you like it, and it lets me know to make more Decorate With Me's in the future.
How to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything.
So now both nightstands have been built and put upstairs. They look amazing, they look really good. I'm so happy with them. I'm just going to head downstairs and tidy up the mess that we've left down there before giving the bedroom a dust and a hoover. The final finishing touches will be put in place, and then I will be able to show you the big reveal.
How to carry on. Sunny day in late July and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go.
I do just want to take a second just to say a huge thank you to every key worker out there. I am so grateful to be able to spend this time at home, and I'm so grateful that my husband is now working from home as well, and that so many of you are going to work to keep us safe so that we can stay home and stay safe. It does mean the absolute world. The work you do is amazing, and I have no words, and I just wanted to say thank you so much.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My
Thank you so much for watching today's DIY bedroom makeover. I really do hope you've enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed making this one for you. It was something slightly different for my channel, but it was so much fun to do, and I finally have my white bedroom of dreams, so I am totally happy with it. And I will be back here on Tuesday with another DIY. Next time I will be doing the living room, so do make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss that one. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you back here on Tuesday.
As honest as you are, the way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in